This video tutorial I will explain how to use WhatsApp in web without any installation. For that, open a browser like Chrome or Edge, then visit this WhatsApp website, then scan the QR code. To scan the QR code, open WhatsApp on your phone, then go to Settings, Linked Devices, then tap on Link a Device, then scan the QR code on the browser. We will see how to do that. Now I am opening this website. You have to scan this QR code using your mobile phone WhatsApp. We will see how to do that. Open WhatsApp, click on linked devices, click on link a device, then follow the steps, then scan the QR code. It is logging in. It is done. I have successfully logged into WhatsApp, and here you can see the chat. Here you can see the settings. Click on account, privacy, notifications, and click on logout to log out from WhatsApp.